Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the skin installation for my OnePlus 9 Pro, made possible by, out of the UK, XtremeSkins, precision, style, and protection. Now, they just didn't send me one skin, they sent me a few, and I asked my wife which one she liked out of the ones that XtremeSkins sent me, and she likes the white Waveform and the red matte camera skin there. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. I did not order any of these skins. Again, XtremeSkins was kind enough to send these to me, and I'll let you read all the other information here so you can find out a little bit more about XtremeSkins. You got a Twitter handle there, Instagram, and Facebook. There is an email address there. So yeah, a lot going on. You can find out a lot more about XtremeSkins, and they got many different colors and styles for a lot of different smartphones. You will have to give them about a little over a week for shipping. It's really not that long. It really isn't. And the pricing is just amazing. Cannot go wrong. Just for this matte red camera skin here in the white Waveform, and you can see that texture there. Just this right here is going to cost you almost $11. Not a lot of money to change the look of your smartphone and to protect the back camera and the back area. All of that real estate going on there. And I'm going to play some music and speed up the video. Yeah, we'll turn off my OnePlus 9 Pro because it makes it a lot easier. Now I'm going to use a blow dryer, but it's very important that you move the blow dryer around. You do not want to let the heat set in one place and damage your smartphone, and yes, your skin, but more importantly, your smartphone, especially those cameras there. You don't want to damage any of that area. So the heat has to be constantly moving around. What you're doing is heating up the adhesive so it can adhere, stick to your device, the back of the device and the camera area. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. right, you tell me. That is just bold. That is tough. Yeah, wow. That is a good looking skin on the back and on the camera area. Whew, wow, that is just sexy. Yep, it gets the whistle. So what we're going to do is turn on my OnePlus 9 Pro. Just set it down, clean the inside of my Rinky Fusion X case here with a see-through hard plastic polycarbonate back, which is going to allow me to see that beautiful extreme skin on the back of my OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, a case is very important because it protects your investment. What it also does is it presses up against the skin and it helps that process of the skin adhering to the back of my OnePlus 9 Pro to help it stick and stay in place. Okay? And that just looks great with the black trim and design of the Rinky Fusion X case here, and the white and red, you got the Portland Trailblazer colors, right? But if you just like this combo color setup here, then you got yourself a great looking smartphone that is going to definitely catch some eyeballs. Wow. XtremeSkins, again, thank you so much. And to all of you, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Any questions on the process, please ask down below in the comment section. You really just want to take your time and enjoy the process. No reason to hurry. And with that, God bless you all. Until my next video, this is my Project 13. Peace. I am out.